Hello everyone, we have another beautiful model today. Another Pixie. Yes, so many Pixie, I know, because you guys love to have the Pixie. So I'm going to do a very short Pixie for our beautiful model. And it's going to be a really quick cut. I would say probably in 5 minutes I will be done this haircut. Stay tuned until I finish with our beautiful model Lee at Jeff Racy. Alright, so we finished our beautiful model even less than 5 minutes. So it was 4 minutes. We finished a beautiful, a short Pixie. As you could see, all the texture we created for our beautiful model. Even I did some nice design on the side. And you could style a different way with this Pixie I did it. But I decided today to just push it up. And the trick is on this one, when you push it up, at the same time with the right hand, you could move the both hand at the same time and spray. So you create a beautiful wispy on the top and nice and flat on the top. So I love it. and I think she's happy. Yes, she's happy. And I would say at least we make her like 10 years look sharper and younger. Thank you, Jeff Gracie.